Drone photography and video can help highlight more features of your property and generate new business. I'm Sofyan Karim, and today I'm going to go over some basic rules and restrictions of using drones to create dramatic and compelling images for your listings. Let's go over a few Federal Aviation Administration policies to keep in mind before you fly your drone. First, you have to get your drone registered. Registration is only $5 and can be completed at www.faa.gov. You also have to become a certified drone pilot. All it takes is a quick test and you're certified. Test prep materials are also provided. Remember the following for commercial use. Drones cannot fly within 5 miles of an airport or terminal. Do not fly over groups of people or public events. You will need written permission from every single person you film. Drones cannot be flown at an altitude of more than 400 feet. A great line of sight rule to follow is if you cannot see your drone, it's probably too high. Also, check with your insurance agent. Make sure that all drone operations are covered by your existing business policy. Accidents can happen. Now, which drone is best for your real estate business? Here are some high-rated models. For more information, visit www.faa.gov. Now that you know some basic rules and how easy it is to get started, let's get you certified.